Mom, I'm bored. What is there to do this summer? Welcome back to Living in Woodstock. Today, we're going to talk about what you and your children can do this summer in Woodstock. Alright, my first item on the list is gardening. Luckily, around Woodstock, most of the backyards are actually a pretty decent size, and you can get a small garden going in most places. If not, you can join a community garden. There's a few of those around Woodstock. We have a patch about 10 by 10 here in the backyard, and we love growing tomatoes, peppers, and other sorts of vegetables. And by the end of the summer, we can usually get quite a bit of salsa. Next on the list is Canada Day. At Southside Park on Canada Day, they're going to have all kinds of activities, especially for children. They're going to have a kids zone with escape rooms, inflatable obstacle courses, and face painting. Then to finish off the evening, there's going to be a fireworks show. The general public is not allowed fireworks here, so you're going to want to catch this one. You're going to want to get outside and enjoy the nice weather around here this summer. So I recommend hiking or biking some of the trails around here. Standard Tube Park, Pittock Conservation Area, Roth Park, or even the Pines. Get out there and enjoy a nice ride or walk down some of these trails. If you work up too much of a sweat on the trails, head on back into town and enjoy some of the splash pads around. The splash pads just opened this past weekend at the end of May. You can find them at Southside, Springbank, and Vansittart Park, as well as Cowan Field. If we're stuck inside because of a rainy day, I recommend taking the kids to Jack's Jungle Play. It's right in downtown Woodstock, and it's a nice little jungle gym for the kids to run around in. So those are my top 5 things to do here in Woodstock this summer. If you're looking for more ideas, check out Phineas and Ferb. I know I used to watch that as a kid. They've always got something going on during the summer vacation. But for more info specifically about Woodstock, subscribe to learn everything there is to know about living in Woodstock.